Learn how to make baked salmon with bell pepper. Ingredients used: add garlic, add 1 teaspoon of salt, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, add Kashmiri red chili powder, add 2.5 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, bake for 30 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard paste. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Add yellow bell pepper. Add half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider giving the video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content. Have a nice day and take care. Goodbye.